Do you want a spreadsheet-like view for your Jira issues? You're in the right place. Jira is powerful, but sometimes you just need a structured table view, like a spreadsheet. Workarounds exist, but they take time and don't always deliver the clean, interactive experience you need. In this video, I'll show you how to get to that spreadsheet-style view in Jira using JXL. You'll be able to sort, filter, and bulk edit issues all in one place. If you haven't installed JXL yet, click the link in the description to start your free trial. The setup takes just a few seconds. Once you're in, hit Create Sheet. Select a Jira project and set your scope using JQL or filters. Hit Apply, and just like that, your table updates with your selected issues. Now, let's tailor this sheet to your workflow. Hover over the table and click the plus Add icon to insert columns exactly where you need them. Choose the fields that matter most, like assignee, priority, due date, or custom fields, so you always have key info at a glance. Step 3 is to filter and sort your issues. Click the filter icon in any column header to narrow down issues by status, assignee, or priority. Use the sort button to organize your data instantly. Now you've got a structured, interactive view. Now for the best part, editing issues just like in a spreadsheet. Click any cell to make inline edits instantly. No need to open each issue separately. Want to update multiple issues at once? You totally can. JXL's bulk editing makes it easy. Click the link on the screen to check it out next. But first, here's a pro tip to take your sheet to the next level. Make your sheets even more structured and easier to work with by grouping, ranking, or repositioning them to match your workflow. Use conditional formatting for quick visual cues or build custom issue structures that work best for you. These features give you more control, better visibility, and a fully customized workspace. Haven't tried JXL yet? Click the link below to start a free trial and experience a faster, smoother workflow. In the next video, I'll show you how to bulk edit issues in Jira with JXL in seconds. Click here to keep it going. See you there!